Have you ever spent hours making notes only to realize later that they are too messy, too long, or worse, completely useless during revision? You are not alone. Most students think making notes means just copying from the book, but that's exactly why their notes fail to help during exams. In this video, I am going to share how to make perfect study notes, notes that are short, effective, and powerful enough to boost your memory and exam performance. Whether you are preparing for GATE, IIT JEE, UPSC, or even corporate learning in the tech industry, these strategies will change the way you study forever. So, why notes matter? First, let's understand why even make notes. Notes are not just for writing down what's in the textbook. Notes are tools for active learning. When you make your own notes, your brain processes the information deeply. You are not just reading, you are creating, organizing, and personalizing knowledge. This makes your recall during exams 2x faster. Think of it this way: textbooks are like a jungle. Your notes are the neatly trimmed pathway that leads you directly to success. So here is the golden rules. Notes are not a copy of the book. This is the biggest mistake most students make. They copy entire paragraphs word by word. That's not note making, that's transcription. Perfect notes are always short, to the point, and keyword focused. Ask yourself, if I look at this page 2 days before the exam, will it save me time? If yes, you are doing it right. If not, your notes are too long. So here are some techniques to make perfect notes. First one is Cornell note taking system. This is classic technique used by toppers worldwide. Divide your page into three sections. Left column, keywords, questions and triggers. Right column is for the detailed notes. Bottom section is for the summary. This makes revision super easy. You can cover the right side and quiz yourself with just the keywords. Next technique is mind maps. For conceptual subjects like physics, chemistry, or theory heavy UPSC topics, mind maps are gold. Draw diagrams with arrows, link concepts visually, and watch your brain absorb connections faster. Visual memory lasts longer. Next technique is flowcharts and diagrams. For processes or problem-solving methods, don't write, draw. Flowcharts make it easier to recall steps than memorizing paragraphs. Next technique is use of colors and symbols. Highlight formulas, circle key terms, underline tricky exceptions. But don't turn your notebook into a coloring book. Use color for emphasis, not decoration. So, digital versus paper notes, which is better? Many students ask, should I make notes digitally or in a notebook? The answer is, it depends. If you are into tech subjects, coding or preparing for interviews, digital tools like Notion, OneNote or Evernote are great. Easy search, access anywhere. If you are preparing for theory-based exams like UPSC or humanities, handwritten notes stick better in memory. The rule of thumb is handwritten for deep learning, digital for organization and speed. How to revise notes effectively? Making notes is only half the game. Revising them is where the real magic happens. Follow the 3R formula. Review daily, so 5 minutes quick glance at the day's notes, then revise weekly, summarize the week's topics on Sundays, and then third R is for the recall before exams. 2 days before, only go through your notes, not heavy textbooks. This way, your notes become your personal exam capsule, your shortcut to last-minute preparations. So here are some common mistakes to avoid. Writing too much. Not updating notes as you learn new information. Using complicated language instead of your own simple words. Ignoring diagrams and visuals. Making notes but never revisiting them. Remember, notes are not a project, they are a tool. Keep them alive and updated. So I will share a quick story. One of my friends was preparing for GATE. He spent hours reading books but never made notes, thinking he would save time. When the exam came closer, he wouldn't revise 20% of the syllabus because there was just too much material. Another student, however, had crisp 3-page notes per subject. In the last week, he revised the entire syllabus twice. Guess who scored better? The one with notes. That's the power of perfect note making. It's not about studying harder, it's about studying smarter. So, here is the conclusion. So, what's the secret to making perfect notes? It's simple. Keep them short, use visuals, revise them often. Make them your personal learning weapon. Your notes are your second brain. Treat them like your greatest asset in the journey of exam success and career growth. If you found this video useful, don't just keep it to yourself. Share it with a friend who struggles with note making. And hey, before you go, comment below and tell me, do you prefer handwritten notes or digital notes? I would love to know your style. Don't forget to subscribe for more motivational and practical study hacks that will help you excel not just in exams but also in your career and life. Remember, great notes create great results.